Hey family, what's going on? We are headed out on the road. Today is the hubby's birthday. You guys won't see this until tomorrow. Because,
Gang, you know we in the building. I got my chauffeur for the day. Uber driver, I would like to go there. Oh, do you tell the Uber driver where you want to go?
Well, it should be already in the location area. If you guys can't see us, we're sorry. It's sunny outside. But we're heading to our destination. Richie has no idea where he's going. All he knows is I'm taking him somewhere, and that's all he needs to know.
Family, you see? I'm right now, I'm cocking up my foot on the dashboard.
Don't put your foot on the
The last time first lady said don't put my foot on our car, don't touch our car. Yes, remember that?
Bonnie, you shouldn't put your foot on the dashboard, they say. God forbid an accident.
So I see people drive and cock their foot on the dashboard.
That doesn't mean you must follow people, my youth.
Alright, so family, you know what it is already. You know what it is already. You know, first lady.
It's your birthday!
First lady gonna take me someplace, you know. I don't know where we're going. You know, but yeah, I'm excited, family, you know. Family, look. You like my new look? I chopped down my beard. I just trim it down. First day they say it's still long. What y'all think? Yeah, you pulling up my beard.
Yeah,
son.
you sexy, yo. You sexy, man.
That's what the girl told me when I went to go Winnie's. You know, the girl said, you fine as fuck. I said, talk to first lady. But yeah, family, so first lady gonna drive today, you know. I'm sitting down in the passenger side, real talk, you know. We're just gonna enjoy my trip and just enjoy my day, cause you know first lady she got plan for me. Yes,
today's gonna be a vlogging video, so you'll see when we get to our location and everything. The whole day, you're gonna hang out with us, okay? So we'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Peace. Alright, family. We here. Renaissance. Yeah. First lady living a life. First lady have money. Yes, so we here now. Starbucks right there. You know. Vlogger. Talk to Richie on the vlogging right now. Watch out. Looking nice. Look at the scenery. I can't wait to go inside here. First lady. This place look immaculate.
Immaculate. Oh.
Yeah, man.
No valet parking.
No valet parking because of COVID. Yeah. But yeah, it look nice. You know. All made it possible right there. A beautiful first lady. Damn, look at you, girl. You hot. You hot, mama.
Tom, when have we parked?
I don't know where parking. I'm like, yo.
Alright, family. So we head into the hotel. Yes, I know you're like, wait a minute. You only staying a couple of days. You got all these bags. Doesn't matter. A woman has to have more than one outfit.
Look how much luggage she giving. Give me a beer luggage.
Doesn't matter. You gotta have more than one outfit in case you change your mind. You gonna be able to? Family, we're very close to SeaWorld. SeaWorld is right over there. That's SeaWorld right there. We're literally right across the street. We're not going there, so kids, if you're watching this video, we didn't go. All right, we're in the elevator. Oh!
Wow! This is Lord.
It went so fast.
Yeah, crystal ballroom like this. Oh no, we going to the top. Oh.
You know I like high floors.
Oh damn it. You like Marsons? I'm gonna eat them yet, you know?
Okay, hold on.
The view for me.
It's so neat. It has like 3 restaurants here. All right, guys, we're gonna head to the room.
Go on, see down here, sorry.
Oh, I'll watch TV. It's dark in here, guys. Ooh.
Oh, watch TV.
Honey, where's the light? That's it?
Oh, here. Light here?
Can't be. So this is the bathroom, guys. I like that black and white. Just a regular tub. Then we have the bed.
What am I doing at this third side? You know that's the first thing I put on, son.
The bed. I like that background. Okay. And then you have a seating area where you can sit down. And you have a little desk if you want to do some work. Nice in here. It's quite comfortable and just nice.
Hey.
Huh?
I already done put on the privacy, you know what that means.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Let me open this now. Oh my God! This is high, guys. We was just over there in the elevator. And now that's the other balconies. You just have a little balcony in your room. Yeah, man. You can stand out here, sit out here.
Yo, I'm afraid I ain't my yo.
That's how it looks downstairs.
I'm too high.
It's too high for you?
Come on. I want long drop this one. I'm looking at you.
So this is how it looks, family. So this is our room. I love the balcony aspect of it. Yeah, you can just sit outside. Family, so listen, we're headed to go find something to eat. We are hungry. We're gonna eat some lunch, and then we're gonna go to the mall and just walk around, and then after that, we'll show you guys later on tonight. Happy birthday! It's his birthday, it's his birthday, it's his birthday.
Yeah, just later, will you transform?
Bye.
Will you transform?
Bye.
Bye.
All right, family, gonna have some lunch at Pollo Tropical.
Oh, yeah, tropical.
Is it tropical or tropical?
Polar tropical, whatever
Tropical, whatever. Tropical. What I name?
Polar tropical.
Yeah, Pollo Tropical. So we're gonna have lunch at.
Yo, why they black at the parking lot though? They feel like, son, they know it's my birthday.
Alright, family, so we're gonna go, like I said, eat some lunch. And then after that, we're gonna go to the mall. Show you some stores in the mall, not too much.
Window shop.
Window shop, get a little stuff. And then go back to the hotel and chill. Yeah, make I get you. No. Alright, family, peace out. I gave you your phone, baby.
Oh.
All right, family, so this is what we have. I have quarter chicken with brown rice and beans. I love Pollo Tropicana's Pollo Tropical's brown rice. And then Richie has breast. You know, he loves his breast with white rice and beans.
Love my breast and don't need to stress the rest.
And when you go to Pollo Tropical, you have to make sure
guava,
tropical, whatever, you have to make sure you get the cooked onions.
And then you have to get the guava barbecue sauce. That guava barbecue sauce be hitting, you feel me?
It's so good, so good. So we're gonna go ahead and eat. And we just wanted to show you what we was eating, and we'll catch you guys later.
Bye.
Our family, we're heading into Saks Fifth Avenue. We're gonna see what they have in there. So, here we go. What store you going in, honey? La Costa?
How you doing?
All right, family, so we stopped and we got some ice cream. So me and the hubby gonna have some ice cream and then chillax. Listen, we haven't even, the fun hasn't even begun yet. Right, honey? We'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, my birthday husband. Let me see. Outfit of the day. Wow, let me get you from head to toe. Stay still. Stay still, yes. Head to toe, head to toe.
Yeah, Pastor Richie in the building.
Happy birthday, my love.
You know we about to go eat now. That's the best time of the day right now. Food time. You know what we do already. Appreciate y'all. Always. The first day they pamper me the whole day. But you know, catch elevator.
Yeah, catch elevator.
Catch elevator, Mario. Now, time to stuff our face. You know what we do already.
Press
you got your mask on?
Yeah.
And now, we're gonna stuff our face. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate all the birthday wishes. You know what it is. I did a quick live, you know. But other than that, that's what we do, you know.
Hey family, so we going P.F. Chang, and so I'm taking the hubby.
Oh, that's what we do out here?
Yes.
I'm gonna go wake up park now.
Yeah.
Like everybody else.
Yes.
You don't got no valet park this.
No valet parking.
This ain't we Capitol Grill,
This
son.
ain't Capitol Grill.
You know what it is already. Ain't no Capitol Grill. Oh, it's a Capitol Grill. That's how I'm talking about that shit.
Right there.
Right, that's all.
I'm gonna see it.
It's a Capitol Grill, man.
Alayato.
Enter valet attendant.
Oh yeah, Capitol Grill. No, that's not Capitol Grill.
We just passed it. I'm gonna turn back around.
Oh, I just see it. Capitol Grill.
Let me see, cause that's out for the day. Gotta go fashion over, holla at first lady, you know? Gotta make sure holla at first. Let me see what you got going on right there. Yeah, there we go. I like that. I like that. Maya, drop it up.
Thank you. Surprise!
I'm about to say, who the hell is this in my table, dog?
Surprise!
I know you mean, oh, so that's how we do it.
Hey! That's Richie's brother. Surprise!
Hey, who the hell is this on the wrong table? How far are you from here?
25 minutes.
Oh,
I already planned it, son.
You planned it? Oh, okay.
Okay, family, I know it's probably dark, but this is what we have as our appetizer. Fried ragoon, spring rolls, edamame, and some shrimp dumplings.
What was the first thing you just did?
We also have some chicken.
Chestnut. Lettuce.
Yeah, man, it's the lettuce.
The lettuce for me.
And then we have some shrimp tempura,
I like the chapter. I'm taking this one.
sushi rolls, the birthday boy, the brother. Yo!
Hey, the grace through the race, you already know.
Sorry, family, we started eating. This is our appetizer. We'll see when we have our dinner.
You don't want to try this, my you?
Okay, family, so what we have here is sesame chicken, some shrimp fried rice. We have some mangoli beef,
right?
and then we also have what we have there.
Oh, we got plum.
We got big duck over here.
Duck.
Big duck.
Yeah.
You can't forget the ring of fire sauce.
The ring of fire sauce. They say plug.
They say plug. You know you
Happy
got
birthday.
Birthday game. First lady did an excellent job. Surprised my brother. I appreciate that. You always come through on crunch time. You know that? Thank you. And if you've never been to P.F. Chang's, you have to go there.
Yes.
Orlando. So if you live in Orlando area, check it out. All right.
Very nice. Very nice. Oh Lord. Okay, family. So this is for the birthday boy. We have a lava cake with vanilla ice cream and coconut pineapple ice cream.
You already know it was a pleasure. You know what I'm saying? First lady turned up for me. You know? I got some ice cream right here with some strawberry. Which one he said that you can't buy this nowhere else?
The coconut pineapple.
That's his best seller too?
Yeah.
Let's try that. Coconut pineapple.
Try that one, birthday boy.
Coconut pineapple.
Be honest.
No. gonna be honest.
It's good?
It's good. You got a coconut piece. It tastes like coconut. Make it taste it. Pluggy, try that. And tell her to. Coconut pineapple. I told you.
Oh, that is good.
I told you.
That is good.
I was trying this.
Vanilla.
Regular. I ain't no regular today, dog. I'm Hollywood. I ain't regular today.
That is good. Hi, family. That ice cream was delicious.
Huh? Yeah, I don't play with that car, dog.
I am so glad that we came to this restaurant. We
Everything
had a
is
great
kept up, you know?
experience. The waiter was excellent. The food
I go
was
get my
excellent.
thing.
The ambiance
Only reason I bring my car to Ootd is to get the alternate.
Yo, I had a
I
couple
get
of...
water anywhere because I get the
The ambiance was excellent. Everything was excellent.
I drive every Ootd car.
So we are done. We hope you enjoyed our little mini vlog celebrating Richie's birthday.
Yes,
I brought
Chang.
in his brother. I was gonna say ammunition.
Yeah.
What would I call you? The cherry on top. Okay, his brother. I surprised him.
They say plug. Look at you.
Yeah.
Today.
I mean, all of our families like this, so just get used to it. But you guys have a great night. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time for another vlog.
Ready?
Bye. Lucky, you not say bye.
Pluggy turned up.